You need to put it in the pool.
We drain our pool today. Kailangan na i-drain siya.
Yeah, how?
It's fine to put in the water?
Yeah, it's supposed to be in the water. How do you think it pumps?
Oh, I don't know. There?
Well, for now.
Oo, ganun.
Is it dry?
Yeah. It's like water there because of the rain. Ayan na siya. You want me to check there?
Probably should.
Over here, the hose from the pool down to the pool. Oh yeah, it's working. Nice. Good asawa. Good job.
Pool, we've had a very bad issue with the algae this year because of all the heavy rains.
Yeah, we start 9 a.m. this morning, diba? So this is
Yeah.
the water level now. 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's about 8 hours now for draining the pools. So like so how many hours this? Maybe another 8 hours? This is just like almost half of water, or just like 3/4. Maybe we live like all night.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah. Started.
I think it's going down.
Yeah. Huh?
Just cut the top off.
You need my phone? So we go for a water test. Swimming water from swimming pool. With the he said he. So yeah, this is the another from the pool going to the hole from the CR or toilet. So that's the drainage pool. Good morning! See, today it's about 23 hours now from yesterday. So the pool now is like that. Almost 1/4 water in the pool. Good morning! Good morning, ladies! Dito ako ngayon sa swimming pool again. Update ko lang yung swimming pool. Yan na siya. Super. So, I tried today to get more water from swimming pool. My husband is not here. He's working today. Yesterday he was day off, so today he's in work, so I'm alone today. look at my big pail or balde. So ang gagawin ko today, I'm gonna do today is I get water from pool and put here. I peeling off this one. So because the pump cannot pump the water anymore, it's too low, very low water now. So look at the size of like 6 to feet. Ganon. So before I'm going to the water, I suggest if you allergies to the water like chemicals, you need to put this plastic in your feet. That's why. So the waters cannot come up. This is I did this sometimes here in the Philippines. It's raining and cloudy, so I hope it's worked. The next one, because I don't have boots and I don't want to go to the water. Look at this. My boots. My water boots. Yeah, diba? Wow. See that? This is the color of the pool in the bottom, so it's so like color green because of the algae from the rainwater. So the water is like that, so we need to change the water to become better water in the pool. Maybe I use some gloves because my hands feel. I have now the gloves in my feet. Alright. That's oh. So let's do it again. Let's do it. So I'm planning to put the palm maybe I put the pump here. This is the pan for the water. Then anyway, up here. Alright. Yeah. So the water pump is over here. Okay. Then I will turn on. I will turn on this to start to sucking it. To sucking the water. Yeah. Diba? So let's see what happened. Oh, it's starting pumping. Look at that. You're right. I am right. Good work. Good job. Oh, yeah. We sunk it. Oh, I need to clean it. This is right, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong because I don't know what I'm gonna do, if it's right or not, but I tried my best. Very fast. Brush now. Mini algae. Green algae. It's getting smaller. The water. Finish this water today because if I'm gonna do this afternoon, it will be so hot, like 52 degrees or 55 degrees Celsius here, and 105 Fahrenheit. So very hot. Your body will be burned, your skin. So I need to do it this early morning, so it's not too hot. Yeah. Try nyo na ba maglinis ng swimming pool? Ganyan kapag maglinis ng swimming pool. Kapag konti na lang yung water na hindi na kaya i-pump. So, kailangan mo na gumawa ng paraan para mailabas mo yung tubig sa swimming pool. So, ganito ang paraan ng Filipino style. Look at that. It's hard. It's so tired. This is my hero. They save my power, my energy. This is the hero. Plastic bottle. It's called tabo.